Okay, so firstly, I think I want to address to say this. Ngiyathanda kakhulu to send a word of an apology, and I feel for these people, my sponsors, as well as SABC, who's broadcasting Izolo. I feel that Lente yenzekile Izolo, they did not deserve to go through Leanto, because they've invested Leanto in the tournament. They've spent their monies to make sure things go accordingly for us. Secondly, I want to apologize to Abantu Basitsakane and all the people that came. I think Konuma Mozigmina wati upuma elisuthu. She only came for the tournament ngoba ethuzobuka. Ukuthi ke gcina kwenzeka ngalendlela ekwenzeke ngayo akukho right. So ngiyafuna uku-acknowledge futhi ngixolise kulabo bantu ukuthi mhlambe kugcine sebe affecteka ngezinto ezenzeka ngaphakathi. Okay, let's get into the issues. Let's get into indaba ke bafethu. So that sonke si understand ukuthi kwenzakaleni la. Okay, so mina bafethu anginawo WhatsApp. I do not have WhatsApp. Anguthanda WhatsApp, but because of the tournament and the preparations were demanding ukuthi as a captain, captain we gospel ngabekwa ibona abafethu kwi gospel kwathiwa angibe ucaptain. As a captain we gospel, I had a responsibility to represent abafethu even on WhatsApp. So ngahamba ngajoin WhatsApp kuyakhulunywa ke, that is where everything is communicated. Kubala ama rules ukuthi ama rules kwenzakalani, yini engavumelekile, mangaka ama player avumelekile, mangaka ama player angavumelekile. So throughout the last 2 weeks we were communicating ku WhatsApp with regards to some interviews that we had on radio stations, ama bookings, ama flights for me to go to Joburg ngeku SABC1. I paid for myself to support the initiative yenziwa abafowethu. Ngayikhokhela mina ama flights wami, and namanje that money hasn't been refunded to me, and it's not an issue. I'm not making it an issue. But it was for me to support the initiative. I had no issues because nami ngiyalithanda ibhola, ngumdlali webhola, and I wanted to be part of this as well. So bafowethu, WhatsApp izinto besiyikhuluma, ama interviews, the schedule, some interviews bayasendela on WhatsApp. Ubaba Sipho Sithole was communicating with us, all those things. Then when it comes to the tournament itself, tournament, I think kwabukuyi idea kaKhuzani ikakhulukazi, because even namanje he's the one apparently who poured out imali to make sure ukuthi the tournament goes on. Kwabukuyi idea kaKhuzani nethimba lakhe. Ibona labo bantu ekuyibona ababeka ama rules. Ibona, I was not involved kuma rules. Mina, I came to represent team gospel from last year. Okay, asiqaleni ke kule issue last year before siqhubeke. Kwi issue last year sahamba as a gospel, sahamba sodlala, sacela abantu ama artists amaningi, because lanto kufuneka ama faces aziwayo. So you would want to have abo Benjamin Dube, abo Mamhlengwe Mhlaba, every face ye gospel that is known by people, yone funakalayo lapha. So last year sahamba sawodlala masifika, or before that sacela ama artists, I'm communicating nama artists that bafethu we're going to play, siyacela ukuthi nisjoyine. We have a WhatsApp group, sizovumelana, we'll train sonke, and then bese siyakhetha abantu kuyibona abazohamba udlala, savumelana nathi bese no WhatsApp wethu as a gospel group, as ama artist gospel. saqala sajima bafika abafowethu abanye base-Eastern Cape bajima bodwa, abaseGoli bajima bodwa, abaseMpumalanga bajima bodwa. And then sahamba sodlala last year. But now kunabafowethu mina bengade vele sengibazi ukuthi badlala ibhola. Abafana ngacela abafana babathandwa baculi acapella, ngacela abafana be-NUZ abaculi acapella, sahamba nabo sayodlala i-tournament ngoba babe nelento esiyidingayo for us to be able to compete at a high level. You understand? So we're going to play a tournament. So safaka abafowethu savumelana bayacula. Umthetho wawuthi as long as umuntu ecula ekhona some kwi-album ungakwazi ukumkhomba uthi nangu sibani kwi-cover ethile i-album, uvumelekile lo muntu ukuthi angahamba yodlala. Savumelana thatha ama-player sahamba sodlala last year. Last year there was no player. Ngibazwile uBig Zulu bethi na last year nalesi abadlali kwangomela abadlali ayikho lonto. OBig Zulu, they don't follow umculo gospel ngoba bawubukela phansi. They don't listen to amanye ama-genres. I doubt ukuthi you would ever know ukuthi yini NUZ acapella. So it's no surprise ukuthi uBig Zulu doesn't know abadlali bam begospel because akayilandeli gospel. So mabethi gospel ya cheater, that is not true. Ukhuzane is my witness. Ngathumela wonke abadlali, ngafaka ithome ngaze ngayifaka la ku Facebook. Bathi bona ayidumo uyachaza. Ngabe ngithi mina ngichazi ngithi ama rules athi fakani abadlali abavumelekile abaculi gospel ongabathola kwi-album. That is what I did. I followed ama rules last year. Namanje nginganiprovela nginifakele same players, but last year are the same players abadlali this time around. Those same players, but manje bona babelindele ukuthi thina sofika namakhehla. Na into yabacasula babelindele ukuthi sofika namakhehla sizokhompisa ngamakhehla. Unfortunately, that was not the case. Kwasho ukuthi kunabantu abakwazi ukudlala ibhola abacula igospel saya nabo. So sawina ke last year ba complain on the side but isibarobhile, but it was not a big issue. So aina out yaphela. This year again we salanda the same players besidlala ngabo last year. Sabese siya add. Ngifuna ukucacisa lokho ngoba ngifuna bengazi ukuthi mhlambe mina ngiyixoki. Ngifuna ukucacisa yonke into bafethu. Sithathe abadlali esibaziyo sahamba nabo sawodlala nabo after sizwile ukuthi kune team thizeni elande ama professional players, but because ama rules athi labo bantu bethu kumele kube ukuthi bayacula, sabafaka abafowethu baba amagidangoma. Igidangoma lo muntu odansa emva kwethu ukuthi must dance igidangoma ngokwelanguage yakumaskanda. Sabalanda abafowethu bafika badansa kwingoma zethu. I think bebeba u2 3 esibalandini, but into esenzile senze show ukuthi asibafaki on the starting lineup. Bona bebefuna nduna bebethusile befuna sifake uma Mhlengiwe, bebefuna sifake uma Rebecca, ufuna sifake oSipho Makhabane. Angeke sitshelo ibona ukuthi kumele sifake banga as long as it's comply nama rules. Okay, so this year sahamba nabadlali and bese sizwile ukuthi igqom lipikile. Bese sizwile ngoba ucoach wabo ubaba kaSithabiso ebengidlala naye mina kwiDebon Pioneers ku-Vodacom. So bangitshela bathi igqom lipikile. Sathi ke nathi because last year abasilalelanga igqom lalipike abadlali abawu6 last year. Sathi ke this year sizothatha nathi abadlali sohamba nabo noma singabafakanga ku lineup sizohamba nabo sicuphe ngabo in case bafaka labadlali babo nathi siyabafaka. Okay, So on WhatsApp ke this year sesiyavumelana, okay bafethu athina ama-rules, bawathumela ama-rules, bawafunda ama-rules, basifundela wona, sathi okay. So umthetho uthi kuvumeleke ukuthi kudlale i-player e-professional noma ex-professional player eyodwa. One, the rest kumele kube ukuthi abantu abaculayo. Igqoma lulandelanga lo mthetho. Igqom beku-DJ Tira, Gold Max, lo olamajida la acula konje ithini igroup yabo. Ngiyayikhohlwa manje. But uGold Max, bafeni niyamazi uGold Max. Bekuyibona bobabili kuphela abantu abaculayo. Bona kuphela abantu abaziwayo abaculayo. And Okhuzane, they kept on saying, umthetho uthi kumele kudlale abantu abaziwayo. Kusho umthetho. But kwiGqom bekudlala uTira no Gold Max phela. I-gospel, we had uJumbo, we had uThina, we had uDumi Mkokstad, we had uLungelo, we had uPuleng Match, umuntu wesifazana bekumele adlale. And then i-left back bekunoNathi, uNathi ucula ne-NUZ.